Namaskar. My name is Pankaj Agarwal. Happen to be one of the member of the organizing committee. We are very happy with the response that we are getting for HIPLEX. Today happens to be the last day of the exhibition. Until today, we have got more than 40,000 visitors, those who have come actually to see the exhibition. And overall, the response that we have got from the visitors who have come here is also very pleasant. They have enjoyed it thoroughly. And moreover, they found it very interesting and as well as very, in fact, new. All the exhibitors, most of them have bought their machines, which are running live here. So this way, if you see, this is one of the exhibition in which it is not just about theoretical participation, but one can also see the machines being live displayed and see the product, how they are manufactured. And in fact, not just the response from those who have come and visited the exhibition, in fact, the exhibitors themselves are also very happy. Many of them who bought their machines here for live demonstration were able to sell it. So in a way, if you see, it has been a very good show, both for the participants as well as those who have come to see it. Thank you.